Do you know about red goose trees? They can grow taller than 35-story buildings. Did you know trees can talk to each other? They communicate through their roots and even send chemical signals to warn each other of danger. Look around you. There are 1 million species of insects. Here is a sweet surprise. Butterfly taste with their feet. Can you imagine having taste bud on your toes? Let's talk about one of our most precious resources. About 71% of Earth is covered by water, but only 3% of that is fresh water for us to drink. We need to take care of rivers and lakes to keep this resource safe. Thank you.